Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove your Jeep Grand Cherokee engine cover. First, locate the engine cover on top of your engine. Next, carefully examine it to identify any visible retaining clips, bolts, or screws that hold it in place. Before you begin, make sure you have the right tools, which typically include a flathead screwdriver and possibly a socket wrench. Once you've identified the fasteners, begin detaching them. For plastic clips, use a flathead screwdriver to gently pry them upward until they release. If there are bolts or screws, use the appropriate socket or screwdriver to loosen and remove them. Take your time and be careful not to force anything, ensuring all fasteners are fully disengaged. With all fasteners released, you can now gently lift the engine cover straight up and off the engine. Some covers may require a firm, even pull to disengage from rubber grommets. Before setting it aside, quickly check the underside for any attached hoses or wiring harnesses. Finally, store the cover in a clean, secure location to prevent any accidental damage. To reinstall the engine cover, carefully align it with its mounting points and gently press down until all clips or bolts engage. Secure any bolts or screws, tightening them firmly, but avoiding over-tightening to prevent damage. Remember, proper reinstallation ensures your engine is protected. Also, if you're looking to upgrade your home cleaning, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.